If your suitcase explodes every time you pack for a 2-week vacation, this is exactly why you're running out of space. It's too chaotic. Give me 5 minutes and I'll show you how I packed my sister's 2 weeks worth of vacation clothes into a European size carry-on luggage and a backpack with plenty of space left over for more stuff. We're going on a family vacation soon and I decide to help my sister pack. I always end up handling her huge luggage. That's what a sweet brother does, right? But this time we told her only European size carry-on only. In every video, I'm going to show you something practical that you can actually use. No fluff, just results. I will be using the Bolstie Packing Method. You simply fold, stack, and roll the clothes into bundles. Once you understand this method, you'll never stress out about overpacking ever again. You'll throw away those packing cubes and forget about those vacuum bags. They are such a waste of time, space, and money. So I decided to reorganize her clothes so it's easier to pack. This side is going to go into Bolstie, and this side is going to go into her luggage. Let's start.
First bundle consists of 1 trousers folded in half lengthwise with the waistband folded midway, then fold and stack 1 leisure knit pants, 1 knit top. Roll them all together tightly and enclose it with another t-shirt using a modified Ranger roll. Stuff it into Bolstie bottom section.
Bundle 2 consists of 1 leisure woven and knit pants, 1 knit top, and 3 silk scarves. Again, fold, stack, and tightly roll them together. Prevent the roll from unraveling with a t-shirt using a modified army roll. Stuff into Bolstie at the top section.
Bundle 3 have 1 short sleeves woven shirt and 3 knit tops. Fold, stack, roll tightly, then secured with a modified Ranger roll t-shirt. Stuff the middle section of Bolstie and zip up. Now ready to hold up your head and torso at the same time.
Bundle 4 only has 2 items because of the thick denim dress and a long sleeve woven shirt. The Ranger roll t-shirt should be one that you don't mind stretching the hemline.
Bundle 5, we have 1 heavy denim trousers, 1 knit top, and 1 knit shorts. T-shirts I sleep in are used as the modified Army Ranger rolls. They also protect your clothes and keep them clean.
Let's test pack. With a luggage-style backpack, I remove the middle bundle, fold Bolstie in half, and place it into the backpack. Plenty of space for another bundle.
Now with the Euro carry-on, place bundle number 4 and 5 inside. Next, I grab the knit dress with bodysuit lining and built-in bras, then roll it up. T-shirt Army modified roll is optional.
2 windbreaker outerwear. Fold, stack, and roll tightly together to remove a lot of the air. Again, t-shirt Ranger modified roll is optional.
The wrinkle-free crop jacket is the last roll we'll do. Fold, roll, and place it at the top of the luggage. There's a space for underwear.
The sunburst pleat skirt should not be rolled, so do a gentle fold flat. Do the same for the vest. Place both in the large Ziploc bag.
Lastly, the delicate evening dress. Again, gentle, fold flat, and place into the large Ziploc bag.
The other side of the carry-on is for her shoes, makeup, curling iron, and essentials. Quick tip. Take a video of what each bundle contains so you know how to repack so everything fits.
International Airlines will weigh the backpack and carry-on. Let's check the weights. Just me and the backpack, me and the carry-on.
Here you have it. 2 weeks of vacation in just a backpack and a European size carry-on luggage. No check-in bag fees, none of that stuff. And remember, in her backpack, she has Bolstie pre-packed with 2 bundles, and the 3rd bundle, she'll insert it when she's on the plane at her seat. Now, Bolstie can be used as her neck pillow, her body pillow, and you know what the 4th bundle in here is for? And I'm going to show her when she gets on the plane. If you want to find out, leave me a comment and I'll show you what the 4th bundle is used for.